What if I told you you could hit reset on your energy, your looks, and your whole body in just 30 days, right in time for summer? And nah, this isn't some insane grind. It's not a 4-hour morning routine or a diet that makes you want to die. It's just a simple proven system, one that actually works if you actually stick with it. This is your 30-day summer glow-up plan. Give it a month, and you'll look sharper, feel cleaner, and walk into the summer like someone who owns the world without crashing halfway through. Let's start with phase 1. Fix the internal system. The first 10 days are the most important. If you mess up here, the rest of your glow-up is cooked. So lock in. Here's the deal. Before you can change how you look, you gotta fix what's running the show underneath: your hormones. Hormones are literally the remote control for your whole life. They decide if you wake up tired or ready to go, if you're motivated or meh, if your face looks sharp or puffy. But when your hormones are off balance, everything you're trying to build just falls apart. So let's talk about the big one, the one you've heard a million times: testosterone. Yup, testosterone is what makes you feel like the man. It builds muscle, sharpens your jawline, gives you that drive to actually do stuff. The problem? Most guys today have way less testosterone than their dads did at their age. Blame processed food, garbage sleep, and just bad habits stacking up. So here's how you fix it in the first 10 days. Number 1, eat like you actually care. Cut the processed junk, fast food, seed oils, candy. All of that is working against you. Start eating whole foods, meat, eggs, veggies, fruit. Nothing complicated. But here's the secret most guys miss: zinc. Zinc is like fuel for testosterone, and most guys are running low on it. Oysters are the king of zinc, but they're not exactly a daily thing for everyone. So here's an easy way to get it in without choking down a can of oysters. Make a zinc booster smoothie, which will only take you 2 minutes. Here is the recipe: 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, 1/2 banana, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, and you can add a scoop of vanilla protein powder. Blend it and jug it. You just got a solid chunk of your daily zinc, plus protein and greens. Your testosterone will thank you. Number 2, sleep like it's your job. You can eat perfect, train hard, and do everything right. But if you're still scrolling at 2 a.m., your testosterone is gonna tank. Period. Here's the thing most guys don't realize: your body does its best work while you're unconscious. Testosterone production actually kicks into gear while you sleep, and it peaks during your first REM stage around 90 minutes after you fall asleep. REM sleep is when your brain processes emotions, locks in memories, and your body releases the good stuff, testosterone and growth hormones that help you build muscle, recover faster, and keep your energy up. Miss out on REM, and you're literally leaving gains on the table. So how do you know if you're actually getting enough quality sleep? This is where sleep tracking comes in. Wearables like an Aura Ring, Apple Watch, or even a Fitbit can break down your sleep stages: light, deep, and REM, so you can see exactly what's going on. So bro, sleep isn't optional. It's when your body repairs itself, builds muscle, and balances your hormones. Track it and protect it. Number 3, wake up to sunlight, not screens. When you wake up, do not check your phone. Don't start scrolling. Instead, go outside and get sunlight on your skin and eyes for 2 to 10 minutes. Better yet, take a 20-minute walk without music. Let the sun hit your face. This makes sure your circadian rhythms are in sync. Number 4, move with intensity. Look, one of the fastest ways to boost testosterone is just to move heavy stuff, or move your own body with force. Compound movements like squats, push-ups, pull-ups, presses in that 6 to 12 rep range are your best friend. Lifting weights is great, but here's a great option if you can't get to a gym. Start stupid small, then stack it. Day 1, do 5 push-ups. That's it, 5. Next day, 6, then 8, then 10. Add a little each time. That's progressive overload without needing a single weight. Your muscles and your testosterone respond to tension and progression, not to fancy equipment. I promise you, if you stick with that for a month, you'll feel different, stronger, and more alert. Just don't skip the increase gradually part. That's where the magic lives. Phase 2, unlock your lethal face card. Now that your hormones are optimized, it's time to work on the most important part of the glow up, your face. But you don't need Henry Cavill's genetics to get there. Anyone can develop a lethal face card because it's really about looking clean and healthy. Yes, it's that simple. Here's how. Step 1, build a simple skincare routine. Your skin is the first thing people see, like literally within a fraction of a second. Someone's brain has already decided if you look clean, healthy, and put together, or if you're someone to avoid. Here's the problem. Most guys either do nothing and let their skin go to waste, or they go way overboard. 10 different serums, random TikTok trends, stuff that just irritates their face even more, and then they wonder why nothing works. Think of your skin like a clogged sink. You can keep pouring water down there all day, but if the pipe's blocked, nothing's gonna drain. That's what bad skin is, a buildup of dirt, oil, dead skin, and pollution just sitting there. No amount of expensive serums is gonna fix that if you don't clear the pipe first. So here's the simple solution. You don't need a 10-step routine. You just need a cleanser that actually cleans without stripping your face raw, and a moisturizer that keeps your skin hydrated so it doesn't look dry and dead. That's exactly what the Based Body Works Daily Skincare Duo does. The cleanser uses gentle ingredients like quinoa and jojoba oil to clear out the gunk without leaving your face feeling tight or irritated. Then the moisturizer locks in hydration with stuff like squalane and coconut oil, so your skin actually looks alive, not like a dried out sponge. Problem solved. Pipes clear, water flows. Your face actually looks good. And yeah, bro, don't skip sunscreen. 90% of aging comes from the sun, even if you're just sitting by a window. Use it every morning, and at night, wash your face to get the day off, then moisturize. Once a week, exfoliate to keep things smooth. But seriously, the core move is just cleanser and moisturizer, done right, every single day. That alone puts you ahead of most guys. Link for the Based Body Works Duo is in the description if you want to check it out. Step 2. Debloat your face. Losing body fat is the concrete best way to sharpen your facial structure, but you can start debloating in less than a week by reducing water retention. Instead of just cutting sodium, try lowering carbs, because carbs hold water. In the first few days of a low-carb diet, you lose a ton of water weight. Stay hydrated, avoid alcohol, and drink green tea, natural diuretic. Trust me, it works every time. Step 3. Get your hair right. Your hair needs to look healthy, not greasy, not dry, and frizzy. Know your hair type. Oily hair? Shampoo more often. Dry hair? Use Moroccan oil, argan oil, leave-in conditioners. And here's the thing, it's not just about healthy hair. It's about how it frames your face. Clean up your edges. Keep strays in place. If you go for a messy look, make sure your features are sharp enough to pull it off. Otherwise, you just look homeless. Step 4. Groom your facial hair and eyebrows. If your beard or mustache is patchy, uneven, or wispy, shave it. Line up your beard so it doesn't look messy. And for the love of God, pluck in between your eyebrows. Any stray hairs make your face look dirty. Step 5. Exfoliate weekly. Weekly exfoliation removes dead skin, unclogs pores, and helps you glow. Use a gentle chemical exfoliant for your face and a scrub for your body. Cleaner skin, smoother texture, and bro that is instantly noticeable. 6 lessons down. Your skin, your brows, your jaw, your hair, all upgraded. That's already a masterclass most guys will never get. But you're not done yet. Phase 3. Become photogenic. None of this matters if you still take trash photos. Think about it this way. An anime might have the best plot ever, but if you click on episode 1 and you don't like the art style, you're clicking off. Photos work the exact same way. These days, how people perceive you often comes from the photos you put out. So here's a simple guide to become naturally photogenic. Step 1. Find your good side. Take enough photos to figure out which side of your face looks better. Always tilt that side toward the camera. Make it a habit. So even in surprise photos, you instinctively turn to that side. Step 2. Maintain good posture. You'll never get a good photo if your shoulders are forward, your back is rounded, and your neck is sticking out. Good posture makes you look confident in candid shots. Not only in photos, but in real life. Make sure your default pose maintains a confident posture. Step 3. Stop trying so hard. The best photos are the ones where you're not posing, you're just living. When someone takes your picture, be in some form of action, checking your phone, sipping a drink, fixing your clothes, walking. Be nonchalant about it. Just chill out. Step 4. Use light to your advantage. Don't let light hit you directly from the front. That's a noob mistake. It makes you look flat. Position light at a 45-degree angle to create depth and shadow around your face. For physique photos, put the light above you. Downlighting makes anybody look shredded. Step 5. Dress well consistently. The most important thing for looking good in photos is to always dress well. Nothing complicated, bro. Just make your clothes clean, fitted, and intentional. Final phase. the rebrand. Most guys walk into summer the same as last year, same habits, same vibe, same results. But psychology shows that breaks give you a rare chance to rebrand your entire identity. Social psychologists call this the fresh start effect. But bro, I want you to understand this. Rebranding isn't about faking it. It's about upgrading and actually revealing a new version of you. 30 days is all you need to glow up. The only question is whether you're going to do anything about it. And hey, if this has helped you, hit subscribe. More is coming your way. See you on the next one.